Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake with testing a car battery can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. We'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW model. If you want to see the correct way to test your car battery, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today guys. Because people make one common mistake when testing car battery that can end up spending thousands of dollars in repair diagnostic that you do not need. We'll explain what we're talking about. Make sure you stand till the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We take almost every car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on it. We work on transmissions, engines, fuses, relays, codes, almost anything you can think of. And if you guys need to buy parts, choose the good price, quick shipping. We'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, the car battery on a BMW, what is the correct way to test the battery? Battery guys, okay, first people make one simple mistake by checking battery voltage. Battery voltage does not mean anything and we're going to prove that in a minute, but weak battery on BMWs can cause all kind of trouble. For instance, weak battery can cause drivetrain malfunction warnings, transmission warnings, power steering warnings. It can cause guys, transmission being stuck in named mode, transmission not being able to shift, shifting hard, all kind of electrical problems, start and stop and go system not working correctly, car dying, having all kind of electrical problems just because of a weak battery. And we've experienced that thing multiple times. We had people where they replaced parts, power steering components, even transmissions because of a battery that actually was starting the vehicle, the voltage was good, but they did not test it the correct way and didn't replace it. So let us show you here now guys. The correct way to test a car battery now will be the most accurate one. Remove it out of the vehicle and recharge your battery. Put it on a battery charger and test it guys. Okay, but you can do it in the vehicle too. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead guys and check the voltage on that BMW battery. And most of the BMW batteries nowadays, they're in the trunk. This one is at 12.24 volts, which indicates a little bit lower. Now the car has been sitting for a while here in the garage, but every time we open the trunk and unlock the vehicle, all the systems wake up, fuel pump systems, so components will be using electricity, and as a result the battery voltage will drop. Now so that's why it affects it sometimes. Now the battery tester says we have 12.21. We're going to click enter here, right here, battery test. You can do a battery test, cranking test, charging test. So that's amazing. And here we're going to go ahead, do AGM flat plate. That one specifically, it's at 900 cold cranking amps. We're going to select that and enter the test. It's super simple guys, okay? And here now what we're going to get, what news? Now this one will say charge, good charging, okay? The charge is only 38% on that battery, so that battery will need to be recharged guys. And okay, health is at 63, 715 out of 900 cold cranking amps. So when we charge that battery, it's practically good, no problems there. Now we'll recommend to charge the battery, let it sit even a day or two, and then retest it again and see if it keeps holding charge. If you, by the way, need to buy a really good battery for your BMW for a fraction of the price, what we're going to do, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. That way do not waste money and time guys. Also you can get battery tester as well. Here, this one is at 12.62. So that automatically tells us that this battery is better than the other one, right? But check now that surprise guys. Voltage in battery world does not mean anything. Okay, we charge that battery, it has 12.56, battery test. Now this one is an 800 cold cranking amp battery, so we're going to do that quick. Okay, enter, testing, check this thing out now. Okay, what do we have guys? Here we're going to have, okay, it's bad battery. We have 121 cold cranking amps out of 800. Health is at 2% even though the charge is at 93. So this battery is definitely bad. It used to start our Mercedes, it was in a Mercedes vehicle, but we had the same case with that BMW battery here in an X4, and as a result, guys, we had all kind of electrical problems. So that's the correct way to test car battery. We recommend to charge it, test it, let it sit a few days, test it again, see if it holds charge. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.